Alright guys, so if you pay attention on my today's revenue, over here you can see I have generated $453.20. Let me come here and reload the page, and basically you can see that the amount is still there. If I come up here and I click on refresh button, you can basically see that what I generated today is still there. So it is not just about generating income like this. What matters is, are you able to withdraw the money to your local bank account every single month? So in this video, I'm going to also go ahead and show you my payment history, so you'll be able to understand that this is not just about making videos, okay? It is about doing the work and you are able to get results, okay, at the end of the day. All right, guys, so lest I forget, let me go ahead and show you my payment center and my payment history. Okay, if you come over here, you're going to see the payment center and you're going to see the entire payment history for this specific account. And then if you scroll down here, I'm going to take time to explain what this is all about. Now in this particular section, you see that payment, your payment scheduled. Okay, this means that your payment scheduled is net 30, and net 30 means that you are only going to be getting paid every 30 days. All right, and then the next option here is your payment details. Okay, over here you can see my next scheduled payment date. Okay, right over here. All right, and this is what I'm expecting to receive. All right, so every single month, okay, you'll be given the date when you are going to eventually receive your payment in your payment center. If you come down to my payment history right over here, you are going to see the payment that I've received over the time on this specific account. Okay, over here, so you can see them right line up right over here. Okay, so but that is specifically for this particular account, just only February for this account. January was not paid because it was not up to the minimum threshold for this specific account. So my other account also received their payment, right? But first of all, let us focus the major important part of this video, which is teaching you exactly how you can be able to promote CPA offer, and also guiding you on the steps that you need to follow in order for you to do it the right way. So over here we have monetization tools, and then we'll have offer tools, and so on. We'll have postback tools, we'll have referral program, and so on. But basically, by the time you are eligible to start receiving your payment to your local bank account, then you are eventually going to make sure that you are going to enter your account details in the payment center here. Of course, if you want to go ahead and set up other things on your account, you can go ahead and do all of that. So once you are ready to start promoting the CPA offer on CPAgrip, there are three basic options that you need. And these three basic options, I'm going to walk you through each of them one by one. So we have already on the section of picking a valid offer that is going to convert. Okay, so if you are able to see an active offer that is going to convert for you, or you are going to promote in order for you to get conversion, then you are going to come over to other monetization tools. You have offer tools, pick any of the options, and then you are ready to go. Now, once you have the offer ready, then the next thing you are going to be doing is very crucial, okay? Creating a landing page that will host or help you to house the list of the offers you want to promote. Apparently, you can use any landing page builder, but in my own case, I'm fond of using CPA. I'm fond of using site.google.com, which is a Google product. Basically, why I love doing this is very simple. I don't need to buy a domain name, and basically, you can do it with your smartphone. You can create a landing page in less than a few seconds, so it doesn't really require much of tech ideas. So if you come over here, click on publish, and then once you click on publish, you are already using your landing page to promote your CPA offer. Meanwhile, before publishing, you must have already set up your landing page by inserting the link of each of the offers. Just like as you see right here, we have click 1, click 2, click 3, In your own case, you could have up to click 20 or even click 40. Okay. Now, if you want to insert more pages, you can click on these pages, or you can change the theme and so on. You can add images, embed different objects, and also you can integrate your Google Drive right inside. But what is most important for us is just test box, okay? So once your landing page is set up, you click on publish button and then you copy the link, you move on straight to the next stage. The next stage is basically promoting the CPA offer using legitimate organic traffic that is going to give you massive results. Okay? But I have to make sure that I guide you step by step, hold you by hand to guide you through the entire process so you can easily understand how it is worked. All right, guys. So once your landing page is ready, the CPA offers are listed inside the landing page. The next thing you need is the traffic source, okay? And that is why I'm revealing this particular specific traffic source where you can basically post your CPA links in order for you to get audience from United States, you get audience from United Kingdom, and you get audience from Canada and other top tier countries. Okay, so if you come over right over here, you're going to go ahead and type in your hook. I always give you demonstration and give you the format of what you need to do in order to post whatever you are posting on any of these websites. Then after your hook, where you actually explain, be able to grab the attention of the viewer or the audience, and then this is where you also list the value that the viewer will get at the end of this the whole process before they will go ahead and click your link. Then the call to action basically is where you need to go ahead and enter the link of the landing page, not the CPA offer. Like I said before, you have to avoid copying the link of the CPA offer directly to any website. So what you just need to do, the essence of creating a landing page is to bridge the page, okay, the landing page of the offer and the traffic source as well. So you're going to come over here and place the link of that landing page, and then you're going to go ahead and draw your conclusion and click on publish button. So once you click on publish button, this post will automatically be published on this platform, and you're going to start driving traffic to this CPA offers through the landing page. So whenever they click the landing page link, then they are going to now go ahead and check out the list of the offers you have in your landing page. Okay, basically what you need to do is to take this landing page link, and you are going to go ahead and directly put this landing page link in front of the exact audience that is specifically targeting the exact country you are promoting the CPA offer. All right. So for example, it could be United States audience, it could be UK audience, it could be Canada audience, and so on. So targeting this kind of United States audience, either on Facebook group, Reddit community, forums, anywhere. Okay. So when we talk about targeting audience from different social media groups, okay, you can be able to fetch them out wherever they are hanging out. All right, but this process is a bit tedious, it's technical, and it takes a lot of time and effort before you could get paid. But there is good news for you. I know that manually finding these groups and posting every single day can be exhausting. That is exactly why I designed a custom direct traffic system that I personally use. Instead of stressing yourself out and spending hours struggling to hunt down the right audience, my system streamlines the whole process so you can route out the right traffic directly to your offer much faster. Of course, if you want to understand exactly how this is worked step by step on how to drive this direct traffic, and if you want to get access to the masterclass where I will hold you by hand, sit down with you, okay, take you hand by hand, and then walk you through the entire process so you'll be able to understand how the entire system setup work, then go ahead and hit on the link below this video. Connect with me through WhatsApp, DM me, okay, and I'm going to go ahead and respond to you directly. My WhatsApp number will be in the video description, guys. This is Macro Hustle TV. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.